Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This one will probably be titled A Day in the Life as a fuel hauler. So today I'm here. I knocked everything out I had to do at my job. So pretty much, you'll get to your job just like any other job. It is currently 3 a.m. I get started at 2:30 a.m. So I did all my checks and stuff like that on my truck and got my paperwork. I signed in to my ELD and filled everything out pre-trip. Make sure everything was good. Check my tires, all that goody, and make sure I have everything I need to deliver this fuel today. I have 3 loads. I'm not going to show y'all my bills, but because it has some information that only for me and my job to see. But pretty much, you'll get a bill, and it'll have all your job information, all the information of terminals you got to go to, stuff like that. So I have 3 drops today, 3 stops. So I have to go to a terminal 3 times. I have no splits, and then I have to go to 3 different gas stations. So this is the paperwork that has all of my compartments and their max numbers, measurements that they can have in the compartments. So this was, the top is from yesterday, but this bottom is for today, and I have one on the back. So I got to go to certain terminal, I need Exxon gas, and then the area that I have to drop in, and then here is all the products I have to get. So 2600 of diesel, I gotta have 87, and then 93 on this one. Is second drop, same thing, same layout, and then my last drop is just on the back. I have to move my camera over here because my bill's behind it. So yeah, this is the last drop. Everything that I have that I am carrying. Diesel 93 and 87. So yeah, this is pretty much the start of the day. But we are at the first stop of the day. I'm unloading right now. Unloading my 93 premium, 87 regular. And my diesel. And it's currently 5:36. I got here around like 5:10. So I have 2 more compartments to unload of 87. But this usually takes anywhere between 30 and 45 minutes from cleaning up to setting up to cleaning up again and turning in paperwork. But yeah, trip number 1, 2 more. Once I get to the second one, I'll show you all that setup. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. I already did my meter stick and did all that stuff. I don't need vapor recovery setup at this particular gas station, so don't y'all worry in the comment saying I'm not doing it correctly. I'm doing what my job tells me to do. Each gas station is set up differently. Each grade is different as well. My next trip, I will have the vapor recovery set up because it's RFG, so that's a must and an always. So yeah, did everything I'm supposed to do, meter stick, check for water, wrote everything down in my paperwork and on my tablet. And now I'm just filling these tanks up. So yeah, I'll show y'all trip number 2 and then trip number 3. Alright, here is stop 2 of the day. And it is around 8 o'clock. I got here at like 7:30. I hooked up, as y'all see, dropping fuel now, did my meter sticks, my water test, everything. Have diesel dropping. We have some premium 93. This is RFG though, and then 87 RFG as well. And as you know, with the RFG, every time, no matter what gas station with RFG, you have to use your vapor connection. So I have my vapor connection set up. With regular grade, you don't always have to do that depending on what your job say and with the gas for the gas stations, because some of them have automatic ports for the vapor itself. And 93 is dropping now, it's emptying out. So yeah, regular grade gas, 87, 93, you don't always have to use the vapor connection depending on the gas station and their setup. Your company will let you know your job, paperwork, whatever. So yeah, this is drop number 2 of the day. One more left and then I'm done for the day. But after I let all these drop, I do a meter stick again, fill out my paperwork and my tablet and turn it in, and then go back to a terminal, get loaded, and head to stop number 3, the last stop of the day. Right here at the last stop of the day, unloading 87 diesel and 93. And after I load this, fill out my paperwork, turn it in, clean up, return my truck for the day, and I'm off. So today was 3 trips to the terminal and 3 gas stations to drop off. So pretty light day, typical day, 2-3 loads a day. So this is what you get in a day in the life of a hazmat driver. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Yeah, thank y'all for tuning in for watching.